Welcome to our Silverleaf production demo. The production module leverages Microsoft Business Central's powerful manufacturing capabilities. Materials are consumed, work in process is created, and finished product is output, while costs and inventory are calculated. Silverleaf will integrate with the state track and trace system as necessary to maintain compliance. The item card for this vape cartridge shows the product is produced, not purchased. The routing steps and bill of materials are identified. The item structure page shows the components to be consumed and the steps involved in the production process. The bold lines indicate the items that have their own bill of materials. Expanding the bold lines shows the intermediate items and steps used to make the product. This is called an exploded bill of materials. When the planning tool is run, demand is calculated based on this exploded structure. See our video on production planning for more information. There are 5 types of production orders. These statuses help planners prepare for upcoming production while current production is underway. This firm planned production order shows our intention to produce 500 grams of bulk formulated distillate. The materials expected to be consumed in this production run are listed in the Components tab. The work centers and required time are displayed on the Routing tab. Though this routing only shows one step, routings can have as many steps as necessary. Changing the firm planned order status to released will send the production order to the manufacturing floor. Material pick lists can be printed, or required materials can be automatically flushed or consumed. The Work Center Load View reports on the total capacity of the work center and how much is allocated to production. This can be displayed by day, week, month, or year. Drilling into this number will show the details of the scheduled production. When production begins, users can enter the actual quantities of materials consumed as well as the tag number of any controlled or lot-traced items. This will add to the cost of the product, keep inventory accurate, and maintain compliance. When production is complete, users can enter the actual quantities consumed and the corresponding tags when appropriate. The state track and trace system will be updated. If required, the product will be sent for lab testing. The production capabilities in Silverleaf will plan inventory requirements, schedule production, track consumption of materials, and calculate output, all while maintaining compliance in your state. Interested in learning more? Speak with one of our experts to explore how Silverleaf can empower your operations from accounting and inventory to production processing and regulatory compliance.